Okay. Let's go with the red. Mahal mo pa? Oo, hindi. Hindi.
Okay,
Hey guys! What's up? It's been 2 years. Yeah, it's been 2 years. 2023 was my last upload, yung video talaga. Although I uploaded some last year, pero mga shorts lang yun. But you know, this is my first time again uploading a new video, a long video. Yes. So we'll be playing Pinoy Relapse Tower. Ayan. I saw this game on TikTok and I wanna try. So, sige, tingnan natin kung hindi na tayo mag-relapse. But, is it relapse? Reminisce. Bahala na. Whatever the term is. But I think reminisce is the right term. Ayan, so we're here at the game. Okay. Here we go. For the first part, saan ba? Dito. Sige. Itong yellow. Let's go up. Mismo? I think no. Mismo naman talaga eh. No. Whoa!
Uy! Mismo? Wala ka namang karapatan eh. Sabi na mismo. Walang ganon! Ay!
No. What was that? Dito. Dito sa mga tao. Oh, dito. Okay, we go up here. Thank you! Ay! I fell. Sorry. Go up here. Ayan. Ikaw pa rin ang sigaw ng puso. I don't know. Let's go. Okay. 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 Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? Hey, do you love the way I do when I'm loving your body? When I'm loving your body, loving your body. Do you love the way I do when I'm loving your
Let's go. Ikaw pa rin ang sigaw ng puso. How do you... Oh, okay. I get it. I get it. I know. We go here. Yeah. There we go. Never mind, bro. Okay, we'll go here. Oh, okay. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. There we go. Let's go up. Sa tingin mo, miss ka niya? Oo, hindi. Hindi. Malay mo.
Pero what if namimiss ka rin niya? Namimiss ka rin niya, pero ayaw ka na lang niya talagang balikan. Kasi natatakot siya baka maulit yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Natatakot siya na maranasan niya ulit. Kung ano man yung na-feel niya noon. Pero kung usapang miss lang naman, malay mo naman.
Dito. Priority ka ba niya? Siguro kung natutunan kong unahin ang sarili ko, hindi ako ganito ngayon. Priority ka ba niya? How should I answer this? Oo. Naging kayo ba talaga? Oo. Ginamit ka lang ba niya? Hindi. Wow! Did I die for telling the truth? I just died by telling the truth. Ito pala ang nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. Let's go with this one, with the red one. Okay. Going up. Going up. What is this? Am I supposed to jump over the white? Yes. Yes. My health. Okay, let's go up. Whoa! Whoa!
What if ilang oras na siyang hindi nagre-reply sa'yo? Hirap, no? Sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na okay lang yun. Malakas ako. Kaya ko naman eh. Kahit di siya mag-reply. Pero what if may kinakausap naman na pala talaga, diba? What if nakaschedule ka pala?
Dito tayo. Okay. Let's go with the red. Mahal mo pa? Oo, hindi. Hindi.
O kay tagal din kita minahal. O kay tagal din kita minahal.
Ay, okay na. This was fun. Yun lang. Okay, what is this? What if nawawala na siya ng gana sa you? Sa you. Yeah, joke lang. Hindi ko wala. Oh!
Minsan, hindi lang naman what if. Tinatanong ko rin kayo kung
Kung?
alam mo yung feeling na nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. At alam kong alam na alam mo yung feeling na yun kasi talagang ngayon nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. Pero hindi mo maamin, di ba? Hindi mo maamin na ikaw na lang ang tagabuhay ng conversation nyo. Kakapagod mag-isip ng topic, no?
Okay, sure. This one, new. Okay. 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 Oh, no!
Sa'yo'y asindi.
I was locked in.
Bakit ikaw ba ang napili? Ngayon ang puso ko'y suwi. Kay simple lang ng aking hiling. Na madama mo rin ang pait at bighati. Sana'y magmilagro. Babalik ko, malibay diretsyon.
Alright. These are
Before I let you go, gonna get a kiss good night, baby. Before I let you go, gonna get a kiss good night, baby.